Hey guys, now that school is from home, the demand for IT is high. So my question to you is, do you have a desktop or laptop, and does it need servicing? We do repairs, maintenance and upgrades on both desktop and laptops. Well, I have news for you. We can customize a desktop for your home, business or gaming use. We do house calls, pickup and delivery. We are affordable, reliable and secure. Call us today at 733-6157 or 330-8791 for all your computer needs and services. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, and you can find us on the World Wide Web at megamarkcomputerservices.com.